Hey, thanks for tuning in to another episode of 2 Minutes to a Better You. I'm your host, Richard Webb. Today, another segment in my workouts at home based on the principles in my book, Fat Burning Secret. I've shown you how to do the individual workouts with bands and body weight. This is episode 22, where I put it all together into a full body workout, which, including a 10-minute warm-up, will take you less than 45 minutes to complete. In the individual body part videos, I showed you 2 different exercises for each body part, and I've created 2 different workouts to alternate between every other workout. I suggest you set up the bands ahead of time so that there is minimal time between the next exercise, because you don't want to rest more than 30 seconds between exercises. Workout 1. Like in the gym, we're going to target the largest muscle groups first, legs. First, split squats. Second, stair calves. Third, pull downs. 4, push-ups. And 5, lateral raises. Workout number 2. Number 1, squats using the bands. Number 2, standing band rows. Number 3, chest press with the bands. 4, shoulder press with the bands. And then 5, using the bands for curls. Again, you're going to alternate between the workouts with days of rest in between. For example, working out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Workout number 1 on Monday, workout number 2 on Wednesday, and workout number 1 again on Friday. Rest the weekend and then do workout number 2 on Monday and then continue to alternate. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I suggest you do my high-intensity interval cardio abdominal routine, which takes about 25 minutes. Total workout time per week, less than 4 hours. Below this video, I have listed workouts 1 and 2 with links to the individual videos showing how to do each exercise. Thanks again for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, because in my next video, I'm going to review this resistance bar.